Hola chicos! Welcome back to Grammar Talks with Senora Smith. Today we're taking a look at preterite verb tenses for ER and IR verbs. You'll remember that in our previous video we talked about verbs that end in AR, and these are, remember again, regular verbs. But now we want to explore those ER-IR endings. So just as a reminder, those AR endings were A, aste, O, amos, astes for Spain, and aran. So if I had a verb like bailar, the endings would be bailé, bailaste, bailó, bailamos, bailastes, and bailaron. So the ER-IRs are going to be very similar. If you have an idea, take a guess. But I put in red all of the things that sort of change. So, iste, io, imos, istes, ieran. You notice that a lot of things stay the same. The purple bits are the same that we saw in the AR endings. This stay, mos, stes, ron. But we're just kind of changing the vowels. And for some things, like the LA usted, we're adding an extra letter. So replacing the A and the E with an I, and then adding a little extra one here. Also, we have two vowels now here in the ellos form, ieran. So, iste, io, imos, istes, ieran. Again, very important that the accent stays on the O in the LA usted, and keeping an accent on the yo form. So, if I had the verb comer, plugging in those endings, I would say yo comí, comiste, comió, comimos, comistes, and comieran. Correr, the same thing. Corrí, corriste, corrió, corrimos, corristes, corrieran. Remember that r, if you can do the R, be sure to do it. So these were both two examples of ER verbs, but the exact same ending is going to apply for IR as well. So this changes a little bit in present tense, where the nosotros and the vosotros will be different, but not true for the past tense. The preterite, they will all be the same. So yo abrí, tú abriste, él y usted abrió, abrimos, abristes, and abrieran. Also with escribir. Yo escribí, tú escribiste, él y usted escribió, escribimos, escribisteis, and escribieron. So now your favorite part, doing a little más práctica. We have questions 1 through 5 and 6 through 10. As you'll see, there's a lot of those words that we saw in the previous video that tell us that we're going to initiate the preterite. Anoche, el otro día, esta mañana, anteanoche, anteayer. All of the sentences contain a word that's letting us know this event happened on a timeline. I can tell you specifically when. Have fun, super fun, completing your más práctica, and see you in class later. Bye.